might make an array like this. I'm not going to draw squares, I'm going to draw circles, okay? You okay with that? Imagine these are squares. Is that an array?
Yes.
Does this give you a math fact? I used 8 cubes altogether, but how did I make them? I like your hand, yes?
Well, so you put 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. That's sort of like division.
Sort of like division?
So you're like pulling them apart but on top of each other.
I'm putting them together, alright?
Yeah. But
So we're making groups though.
Yeah.
Either way. So do you see, you said 4 on top and 4 on the bottom?
Yeah.
Do you see 2 groups of 4?
Yes.
Do you see that? Does anyone see something different? Your hand is up, sir. I don't know your name.
It's my name's Lisa. And an array is basically like a line, just like things aligned together.
Aligned together. So let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
What if I made 4 groups of 2? Have we made 2 equations from this array?
Yes.
Can you think of another array I can make with
I
a
don't
number
know,
8?
I'm not sure, but it's kind of like a symmetrical kind of.
It's symmetrical. Is there anything sticking out on the end?
No.
Is there anything odd about this?
No.
Does it look pretty even to you?
Yes.
Even this way, even this way?
Yeah.
So an array is going to be an even shape, right? Can you think of another array I could make if I only had 8 cubes? Can you think?
You could say you did two circles,
Uh-huh.
and maybe you could just do 4 together, but like not in this
So there's 4 together, like that way? No? How so?
Here's
Up and
2
down,
on
right?
the top and 2 on the bottom.
2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Oh, so we could do like that.
Yeah.
You see why circles are easier and faster? So do we also have 2 times 4 or 4 twos?
Of 24.
Yeah. Is there another array we can make with 8?
of 24.
That's 24, but it's
8
not
times
connected, is it? All of ours have been connected.
8 times 1.
So you're saying I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 1 row with 8 in the row?
Yeah.
Is it also 8 columns with 1 in each column?
Yeah.
This is a group, this is a group, so it's also 8 times 1. So we have 2 really good arrays for 8. Here's what I'm going to have you do. I want you to find an array for 24. They have to be all together, right? So what's your name? Sebastian is drawing things that look like 4, 4, 4, and 4. Are they connected?
Yeah.
Is it easy to see how even it is? Not really, because we have this big gap in the middle. So as a team, I want you to find as many arrays as you can.
24. Stop making like a little building.
How many different ways? Oh! I need to give you some more directions. I need to give you some more directions. What did I pass out here?
We have a remainder of 1.
What's it called?
Square. A sheet half-inch square.
It says half-inch squares on it, right? Okay, when I need your attention, I'm going to say class, and you're going to say yes. Class.
Yes.
Listen to my directions. I also gave everybody a sheet of paper. What you're going to do with this is record. Do you know what that means to record?
Redo it.
Write down your different arrays. And if you imagine this to be 1 cube, and I said draw an array for 8, could you color in or box in 2 by 4?
Yeah.
Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes. Could we box in 1 by 8?
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna do that with 24. So you don't wanna start in the middle of the paper, because you won't have a lot of space to work. But you're gonna find that there are a lot of different ways of making 24 evenly with an array. So I want you to write them down when you find one. Does that make sense? Capiche?
Here's the cubes, how you make one.
We're working together and recording each one.
Wait, do we do the same thing?
What can't you fix?
We could do it like this.
Make it yourself. Okay, do that.
We could do it like this.
What did you
We could do it
make?
like 1, 2, or we could do it 1, 2.
4 by what? 6. So could you box in 4 by 6?
16. Okay, so let's do either 2 like this or 2 like this.
Color. He's coloring beautiful. So what did you find? Oh, we're still working.
Because that's what we're doing. That's what she said too.
There's like
So
1.
what?
There's also 1, 5. No, this way. Like this, what way I'm doing. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What do you get? What did you get?
Not 4 times 5.
4 times 5. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 4 times
Oh,
6?
wait, sorry.
Oh, okay. It doesn't have to be beautiful. You just kind of have to box them
What do
in.
we have to do?
Well, you have 4 by 6. So what I'm going to have you do is color in 4 by 6, right? And you have 6. Oh, that's not 4 by 6, is it? What is? Is that 4 by 6?
That's 4 by
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 4 by 6.
We need to color in that whole box.
Yeah, well, that's why I said you don't have to have it perfect. And then I want you to do this.
Okay.
Can you find another way to do
Yeah,
it?
5 times 4. I mean,
Well, you better double
6
show me.
times 4.
Show me.
Yeah.
You can show it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're going to do it this way? So when you say that, you're going to go down how many?
Okay. There.
I'm not seeing it here, though. Maybe it would help.
You do it 2 ways.
How many down is it going?
Let Peter
Right
make
here.
it.
How many down is it going?
Hey, the entire thing is an array anyways.
Oh, and then you can also do it like this.
This isn't you.
Class.
Yes.
Class.
Yes.
Somebody's still coloring. If you're not, here's what I'm going to say next. Hands and eyes. When I say hands and eyes, that means the pencil goes down, you're close. The pencil goes down, the hands go like this, the eyes go like this. Do it. And you're looking at the speaker. That's what you're doing right now. I love it. That means you're paying attention. Some of you, almost everybody started exactly the same way. Who can tell me what you did first on your board?
3 first, 3
Yes. So you found, I think almost everybody did this. I'm going to just draw my cubes super fast. You okay with that? Those are all cubes. You colored in 4 by 6. What is the equation that you came up with for that? What equation shows for this array? What explains? Hang on. You're thinking. What equation works for this? If you colored in 4 by 6, what equation? You know what I mean by equation, right? Okay, just checking. What works? What did we multiply by? How many on this side? How many cubes did you put here? 4. And how many across?
6.
And what did you end up with?
24.
How many of you started? The first thing you did was 4 times 6 is 24. Yeah, every table did it that way. Now, how many more ways do you think we can make an array? How many more? I know you know at least one. Show me how many more you can do. So your piece of paper will have all these colored in.
Times 16.
Oh, don't tell me, show me on your paper. Do it with the cubes and show me on your paper. What else will work? It's an even number, so I know I can probably line them up one way.
Okay, so what is that?
Ah, you
This
found
is
another way.
4 times 6.
Put
What
the
is this?
equation underneath it.
So should we like start over here now?
So this is 4 times 6. What is this?
Lovely.
Yeah, 6 times 4. Nice. Different.
I just did this one.
Wow, that works? Make it.
Yeah.
Oh, you
I hear about drawing nice.
8 times 3. And then we also
Look at this. This entire board is an equation.
6 times 3. Oh, 4 times 6.
Times 6.
So underneath, just write the equation like I did.
Hold on. So what? How are they connected? I'm not clear. Is this? So this is 1. So line here. This is 12. 2 times. What's this?
I just changed. 12.
So these two are separate. It's good to like know those things. How else would you show this?
Together as a team.
This is just check. This is only 16 though.
Jamie?
No.
So you go 8 down and 3 on the top, right?
That's a separate one. That's why it's good to draw. To keep a space between.
But let them try and make it. They might need to see.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you'll need to add it here. So how many more do you
Oh, look at that.
Goes 8 down there.
How many do you think you can find?
They combine their areas.
So you have to somehow draw a line to show the difference, right? Oh, I like to see how Harlan outlined them dark. That's a good idea.
Something good for you.
But you are maximizing your space, aren't you?
Because of, yeah, there you go.
We just need to
And that will show that you have, how many do you have altogether?
Let's go to the other side or do it just straight down. No, we don't.
You're onto it, Peter.
So how many do you,
Ta-da! What else?
Now what do you have there?
4 times 6?
2 times. It's more ways. You have to find the most ways to do it, Margo. I know, you can go down 12.
2 times 12. Good.
What is he doing?
Yeah, so what are you doing here?
A lot of different ways.
There's 2 equations, right? What would the other direction be for this, Harlan? It goes like this, or the other way.
Nice.
Correct.
Mais ils vont se toucher, mais tant pis. Hein.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 times 3. 2 times. You guys know 8 times 3? Right here. Yeah, exactly. 8 times 3. You don't have to do perfect.
Please, can you 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 14, 18, 16.
Don't worry, mais il faut que tu le fasses dans les deux sens. 12 fois 2 et 2 fois 2.
Mais je vais faire là.
Now this is 12 times 2. Okay, this is gonna be hard. I don't have any space to do this.